দেখেন একটু দেখেন
Chutney misty. This is very tasty. Namaste everyone and welcome back to the channel. So guys, what to say now, I'm still very sick, but you know, here my friends, Narottam's friend, they are so passionate about showing their city. So I have come with Narottam's friend to explore Rangpur, and I'll be showing you how Rangpur looks like. So you will get to see Rangpur in this vlog. So guys, this is the heart of Rangpur. We all have come to Taj Zamindari. Zamindari. This is like some palace, and in Bangla, like they say Bari. Bari means ghar, house in Bangla. See the garden. The garden looks really nice. See, welcome to Taj Hut. This looks so nice. With nature they have done this. And in the front you can see the palace. So guys, this is the palace. You can see now they have made it as a museum. So I don't know what's gonna be inside. This is Rangpur Archaeological Museum. I like this design, architecture of the museum. So guys, this is the inside of palace, the where they have kept the this, what that is called, in the museum they did not allow me to film. And you can see the stairs. They used to climb on top through this, and this. This inside thing they have made it museum. Here is the map.
যে বংশ পরিচয় এই জমিদারি
Okay, this.
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
Everything is in.
মানলাল রায় পুত্র চান
Okay.
জানে জানি যে পুত্র নাই
हाँ,
নাম জানে না
पुत्र.
হ্যাঁ পুত্র জানা জানি নাম আছে কিন্তু জানে না কেউ।
Oh. So this is the hierarchy you can see. It's in Bangla. I cannot understand. And 1 minute, no, 1 minute. 1 minute. And this you can see the structure of this palace. Here, all the details. From this you can understand about this palace. Museum gallery, which they did not allow me to film. Thank you. Here also, this is their like about tourist attractions in Rajshahi division. This was the museum. They have some books here in Bangla. And this is
বাংলাদেশ
Muzabir.
হিস্টোরিজ
This is the
বঙ্গবন্ধু শেখ
history.
মুজিবুর রহমান
Sheikh Muzabir and Sheikh Hasina's papa. So it is the story from 1922 1975. So guys, I saw the inside of palace and now we are going somewhere else. We are just taking a round to this palace. कौन इंडियन कर रहा है? Everyone is here like Indian. And now because of this, they are gonna charge more money. Oh, this is jackfruit garden, huh?
Yes. Jackfruit.
See this garden, this is mainly for couples. You can find couples everywhere. This is not for us. This place is not for us. Guys, now this is the back side of the palace. You can see, and this looks really nice. It looks so colorful. Bunny is so cute. See? So guys, now we have come inside Begum Rokeya University, and this is the campus. We're just, taking a round of this campus. That is Department of English in front. Which department?
CSC.
CST.
Computer science.
Oh, in front, this one is Computer Science Department. And this is very famous in Bangladesh, van. So this is Begum Rokeya University, you can see. Just taking a round. can drink water from here. Water bhalo. This is the cafeteria of this university. Now we have come to the Carmichael College. You can see this is the entrance, and I think their exam is going on. That's why you can see so many students. So now we are inside the Carmichael College.
লেমন জুস
अभी
অনেক টায়ার্ড
So we're gonna drink some lemonade now. Mango season, so mangoes is bhalo. Thank you. Oh, bhalo. Very refreshing. Bangladeshi college grounds, you know, it looks like a picnic spot. And everyone, you know, anyone can come inside. In Bangladesh, I have enjoyed a lot in Bangladeshi colleges, in Bangladeshi universities and all. And students, they are really helpful, friendly, and they're amazing. The science building of this college, and this is a government college, and it is one of the oldest college in Bangladesh. That is Department of Accounting, and this is Department of Chemistry. The buildings are very old.
Political science building.
In front you can see that one political science building. Buildings are very old, no?
Yes.
That's why it is one of the oldest college in Bangladesh. His name is Muktijat Bhaskar, and this is the
প্রশাসনিক ভবন
this is academics bhavan.
প্রশাসনিক ভবন
Prasasnik means
প্রশাসনিক হচ্ছে আপনার কি বলবো যে আপনার এটাকে বলে নিয়ন্ত্রণ করে যে একাডেমিক্স
oh control
control
administration. Okay, so this is the admin department of this college, Carmichael College. Buji ki this masjid you can see the tomb top, so I thought this is a mosque, but this is the admin department of this college. It's very, very old. This is the entrance. This is the main entrance of this admin department. There is one tree. I don't know what this is written in Bangla. The name of this tree is Kigelia africana, and this is. Yeah, I have seen
Carmichael
this.
College 2 trees.
Oh, in Carmichael College, they have 2 trees of this. This I saw in Kerala. This area is part of Rangpur city, and you can see so many street food here. प्यारा लीची also pineapple, and they have added some spice in this, and this is very tasty. I'm liking this. This is very tasty. And now we are at Tea Point. So here, the tea of this place is very famous in Rangpur city. So we have got this fritters, प्याजी, ये प्याज पकोड़ा नहीं, ये की दाल पकोड़ा, दाल ना, this is made of dal, lentil. And here is our tea now. The weather is very hot, and then we are having this. Good. So guys, you can see Scone Temple in front, and now we are going inside this. So this is the Scone Temple.
এখানে।
हाँ
दुर्गा पूजा।
ओके पंडाल
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
ओ इधर से आरती हो रहा है ना वैसे आरती इज गोइंग ऑन किंची राधा कृष्ण over there Lord Krishna and Radha evening aarti is going on guys now we have come to visit one temple see in the front goddess Kali is there Kali Mata है ना this is the Kali temple you can see
এখানে দুর্গা পুজো হয়
okay here they conduct Dashara Durga Puja and Kali Ma you see evening prayer is going on evening aarti here also and here you can see Lord Ganesha so nice Loknath oh his name is Loknath up also temple you can see you can see goddess Durga over there
Hanuman.
hey Hanuman ji my favorite my god is here Hanuman ji Hanuman here you can see Hanuman ji and goddess Durga and Shivlinga you can see there
রাধা কৃষ্ণ
Laddu Gopal you can see Krishna ji there now I feel so nice you know so happy to come here see how temple looks from the top see so guys it was really nice to visit the temple at the end and I got to see Lord Hanuman my favorite god and I'm really grateful to Joy Hari and his sister Bipasha
India যে গ্রুপে এই গ্রুপে ইন্ডিয়া শ্রীলঙ্কা অস্ট্রেলিয়া নিউজিল্যান্ড
now we have come to you can see the Singra house Rangpur Bangladesh 1960 very famous very famous no
very famous
this shop is very famous
আরে পরে পজিশন 25
I'll show you samosas now. Taking samosas here.
মিষ্টি না এখানে একবারে ছেড়ে আছে
Chutney.
10 টাকা 20 টাকা
Now I'm gonna have singras from famous singra house in Bangladesh.
সস
So chutney na
চাটনি ভেরি
tasty.
ভেরি টেস্টি
Guys, I'll tell you the taste. अभी बहुत गरम चटनी मिस्टी आलू samosas are very tasty, very singara, but chutney is sweet. You know I'm not a sweet lover. So guys, after having singaras from Singara house in Bangladesh, we have come to the market, the grocery market. You can see. This looks like I'm in Siliguri. So congested. Coffee milk. Let's see. Wow, very very hot. बहुत गरम. Very congested, very hot. Bag shop. Nothing. So guys, now I'm with Bulbul. I'm staying with her. She is Narottam's friend. And guys, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I'm really thankful to Joyhari and Bipasha. I'm very very grateful to them. And with that, I'm gonna end this vlog over here. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay safe. And I'm riding on rickshaw. See.
মামা দেখেন একটু দেখেন